Welcome back. Yeah, we're here, Tmnt Toys, No Street TV, Toys in the Hood, and I got my man, 100 grand, my man Hotel Rell over here, man.
I'm here.
Hey! And we're going to talk a little bit about toys and nostalgia and whatnot. You know, you're a 90s baby, 80s baby, where, you know, you cross genres. You cross genres.
Late 80s.
Yeah,
Late 80s.
yeah. So we got some little toys. We're going to do a little quiz for you, pop quiz for
Let's
you.
do it.
You know what I mean? Hey, my man, hand him something. See if he knows what that is.
Definitely know who this is.
Who's that?
Leonardo.
What?
Favorite color. Couldn't forget him.
Tell him about that Leonardo and the turtle life, man. What was that?
Well, you know, growing up, they were really important to me, man. I used to wake up every Saturday. Actually, I used to almost skip school as a kid to play sick just to watch these guys. I mean,
wow.
They played a very important time in my life. I thought I was a little warrior kid thinking I was Leonardo, you know what I mean, in the 80s, messing with my friends. All four of us would be a different turtle, and we'd just go out and just get into all type of mischief, so... They definitely played a heavy part of my childhood.
That's cool, man. That's cool. The creators of the Turtles happen to be good friends of the channel, man. Kevin Eastman and my man over there. You know, and it started out kind of like a gag. They were just back and forth drawing pictures and trying to complete each other's joke. And they drew like a turtle, and one of them put like a ninja hat on it.
Oh,
and
yeah?
The other one gave it a sword, and before you knew it, you had Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. It's a crazy thing. It's imagination. It's everywhere. It's like space, you know.
Well, that's news to me, man.
That's how it happens.
My imagination took me elsewhere. You know, I thought I was in the show every time this thing came on, and you know,
I understand.
I wasn't all up close and personal to the TV.
They did their job. They did their thing. What else was there around when you was growing up, man? What else was your thing?
Man, a big mix of things, man. We had the Power Rangers.
Oh.
They were dope. We had, well, you know, and I got a little older. Then we had wrestling come out. And then obviously everything dropped, and I just went totally into wrestling.
Well, now, when you say wrestling, what era of wrestling are you talking?
My era, man, was the Stone Cold, Undertaker days, the Kane, the Ministry. You know, Stone Cold versus McMahon days.
The Kid's Got Talent. He knows what he's talking about.
That was the era.
That
was
Stone
my mom
Cold
smacking me in the face because I was begging her for tickets every time they're in town.
Oh man, we love the moms here at the show. Yeah. That's right. Support the moms at the show.
Sure,
that's right, man. That's right. NWO for life, he said. For life. Yeah. Well, thank you, Rell. Thank you for coming to the show. Thank you for gracing us, man, and blessing us, you know what I mean, with your toy knowledge and your history of the genre you did. You know, but Adon thanks you, and we're out. You know, Toys in the Hood, we're out, man. Tmnt Toys. Love you. Mwah. Smooches. Oh, you good, bro? I'm cool, man.
Yeah, how you doing? Channel Paul King of Gypsy Hill, 101.9 BPM if you're sticking. Yeah, the future is yours, and we're here to tell you that. Everybody always talking about how the future in the world is going to end. But we're here to tell you how the future begins.
The future is yours. Come on, let's make it. The future is yours. Come on, let's take it.
Yeah. I said the Gypsy King's the future. No need to salute ya. Bow down to no man. Gypsy King to mute ya. Silencers, extended brain clips, DNA drip from the mothership. I'm a trip, making a trip and a half. I'm a bubble. You can smell me. I'm the shit, man. Best to grab a shovel.
He's trouble. That's a landmine, not a puddle. The foxing with a gypsy coffer back up on the double.
Stealth assassin, silently laughing. They call me champion. Mayweather skills so fast they call me action. Jackson in the field. Blow with a future with a hip made of steel. Blowing through the industry with a massive appeal. Cause the math is real. Figures don't lie. You can keep your piece of that devil's pie. It be gypsy and some roaches, I will survive. No lie. Haters will die. It's a bird, it's a plane, it's that gypsy fly. In a puff for that smoke, cause you know that he high. Like you dope, then he choke with that cheating guy. Young Trey tweaked the tweeter, now the sound is fly. Interplanetary funk, man, I can't lie. Have a sip of that Hennessy, I decline. Yeah, I'm sipping on that Jesus juice, Moscato wine. Rubbing on the booty of a cutie so fine. Never mind, oh well. Warriors don't tell well. The soldiers don't die, hell. I make this girl named Judy with a big ol' booty.
Just playing. Meanwhile, I'm just saying, when it comes to competition, ain't no need in playing. You're boxing with the gypsy and the realest Super Saiyans. The last time I checked, man, your soul wasn't there. I'll be a good neighbor like State Farm was there. Supply the pharmaceuticals and the welfare, well clear. The state of the union is this. The industry's in shambles and gypsy is pissed. Planet Namek, damn it, that's where I'm from. That's where we go crazy but never go dumb. Might smoke a pound until I go numb, but we shall overcome. Ho hum.
The future is It's yours. Come on, let's make it. I said the future is yours. Come on, let's take it.
Dance to this, rock to this. All you wanna do is shake your ass to this.
Little mama gone, space case Judy, body out of this world, asteroid booty. Ain't no future in your front, little cutie. And see how many ways out of space you can do me. Sexing in the dark, just a little light on the mood and you just far. Iced out bezel, attitude frozen, chill factor zero, connection is golden. Head so stealth when you're done reported stolen. Cosmic phenomenon, DNA from Freakatron, Freakazoid, Freaka Ninja, pay to take a peek. On the pole, she's the coldest, helicopter poses. Transformer skills like some sex out aerobics. Thoroughbred, thoroughfed, down to keep your pockets filled, relaxing on the eyes, have it laid back, club med.
101.9 BPM if you're sticking. Sean Paul, King of the Gypsies here. The mothership has landed. No fear to fear the future, you dig? It is yours. Go on and take it. Can you dig?
The future is yours. Come on, let's make it.